Hey guys, this is just another video. I just got my lockpick set in. I ordered it when I was at Cranky V's house. So I'm gonna kinda unbox it now, I guess. See what we got in here. I don't know what this is. Let's open this first. Pretty nice little case. Got some tension wrenches and a bunch of picks. Cool. Maybe I can figure out how to do it eventually. It's just kind of gonna be like a little hobby of mine. I'm not gonna be doing anything illegal with it. And like if I lock myself out of the house or something, maybe I can get in. Now let's see what's in this. Oh. Okay. I guess some assembly required. I gotta put all these rubber things onto here. That should be cool. Anyway, the case feels really nice. Cool. Well, that was just a little request from Cranky V, and yep, that's my lockpicking set. Oh, I might as well show you these. Here's all the different picks. Seems to have just about everything you need. I guess this one here and this one here are pretty useful. Very cool. Anyway, see you guys later. Wow, this didn't take me long to figure out. The trick is, with me, I have to hold it with my left hand. For some reason, my right hand doesn't work. I'm gonna reset that. Got it. Got it, finally. I can pick a lock. Sweet.